Listen to this.
But for me, switching into Yitzhak was such a physical demand that I fell in love with it. And,
Now listen to this.
In the playfulness of work and one, the two not having to be separate entities, no matter what the subject matter, I think it should be joyful and
Same words, two completely different reactions, and I'm about to show you exactly why the second guy gets what he wants, while the first one gets ignored. Here's the truth nobody wants to admit. Your voice is either opening doors for you, or it's slamming them shut. Think about it. When was the last time someone with a deep, commanding voice had to repeat themselves? Never, right? Meanwhile, guys with higher-pitched voices are constantly fighting to be heard. And look, I'm not here to sugarcoat it. Women are naturally drawn to deeper voices. It's biology. That low, resonant tone triggers something primal that screams confidence and masculinity. Whether you're on a date, in a meeting, or just talking to someone at a coffee shop, your voice is doing half the work before you even say something smart. But here's the good news. You're not stuck with the voice you have right now. Your vocal cords are muscles. And just like you can train your biceps, you can train your voice to sound deeper, more confident, and more commanding. That's exactly what I'm going to show you today. So let me walk you through 10 techniques that'll transform your voice from forgettable to unforgettable. First technique, master the hum. Start humming. Seriously, right now. Feel that vibration in your chest? That's your diaphragm waking up. Practice humming for a few minutes every day. This single exercise gives you complete control over where your voice comes from. And once you control your diaphragm, that deep voice becomes effortless. Second technique, drop your tongue. Most guys don't realize their tongue is sabotaging their voice. Your tongue naturally wants to sit high in your mouth. But here's what I want you to do. Consciously keep it low while you talk. Go ahead, try it right now. Third technique, hydrate like your voice depends on it. Because it does. Dry vocal cords sound thin and weak. When you're properly hydrated, your cords stay flexible and produce that rich, full tone you're after. Fourth technique, breathe from your belly, not your chest. This is where most guys mess up. Here's what I want you to practice. When you breathe in, your stomach should expand, not your chest. Then, as you breathe out, produce a humming sound. Fifth technique, become a nose breather. Stop breathing through your mouth. Mouth breathing doesn't just make your voice weaker, it's literally destroying your jawline and damaging your vocal cords over time. Sixth technique, the pen exercise. Grab a pen, put it in your mouth horizontally, and try speaking clearly for 5 to 10 minutes every day. Yes, you'll sound ridiculous, but this exercise forces your mouth muscles to work harder, giving you crystal clear articulation and better vocal control when you remove the pen. Seventh technique, strengthen your neck. Your vocal cords are surrounded by your sternocleidomastoid muscles. When these muscles are weak, your vocal cords get compressed, making your voice higher and weaker. Here's your fix: neck extensions, neck rotations, and lateral bends. Strong neck muscles mean wider, more relaxed vocal cords, and that means a deeper voice. Eighth technique, boost your testosterone. Your testosterone levels directly affect your vocal cord thickness. Higher testosterone equals deeper voice. The fastest natural way to boost it? Sprinting. 3 sets of sprints every day. Ninth technique, the nose pinch test. Close your nose and try speaking. You'll immediately hear that nasally, weak sound.
How to get a deep voice?
Now, while keeping your nose closed, try to eliminate that nasal quality. Practice speaking in a way that doesn't rely on nose resonance.
How to get a deep voice?
Do this daily, and you'll train your voice to come from your chest instead of your nose. 10th technique, slow down and own your space. Fast talkers sound nervous. Loud talkers sound desperate. Guys with deep, confident voices, they speak slowly, at a lower volume, and they pause. When someone's talking to you, don't just wait for your turn to speak. Actually pause. Process what they said. Then respond with intention. This alone will make you sound 10 times more confident, even if your voice hasn't changed yet. This is just the beginning. Subscribe and hit like for the confidence and authority.
I don't know what this guy is, but nobody can do what he's done.
He's just a beekeeper.